Be intentional. Plant a plant. One of the most powerful intention practices is also one of the simplest. Plant a seed. So, why planting is intentional? Planting is a physical act of commitment. It moves intention from thought into action. The body remembers what the mind sets. So, get grounded first. Grab a pot, any size. Choose a plant, a seed, or an herb that feels right to you. Before planting, pause, take a few deep breaths, feel your feet, your hands, your body, get really grounded. And then I want you to touch the soil with your bare hands. Let yourself slow down. Dirt grounds excessive mental energy. This reconnects you to the earth in the present moment. As you plant, choose one intention. Keep it simple and honest, like peace or growth or healing, confidence, stability. Say it quietly or out loud as you plant. Place the seed or plant gently into the soil. Cover it slowly and deliberately. Imagine your intention being held and supported. As you water, affirm, I will nurture this. I will show up consistently. Remembering watering it once is not enough. Neither is the intention. The lesson here is growth takes time. Care matters more than force. Presence nurtures progress. Place the pot somewhere where you can see it. Let it remind you of your commitment each time you water it and reconnect to that intention. What you nurture, grows in the soil and in your life. Plant something this week and notice what begins to change in your life today and tomorrow.